Hi guys, I just wanted to pop in here really quickly and see how you are doing and get your opinions on the new style of video that I have been making. I know when I originally started this channel, I was doing more recipe-based videos and I was speaking the entire time, but let me know how you're feeling more about the silent vlogs, or if you would like to see the return of my older videos, the older style video that I used to do. But for now, I hope you enjoy the video that I have prepared for you.